Stop cubing pork belly before the smoke. Pork belly on the board, thin mustard coat, binder only, not a sauce. First pass, spiced rub, a light veil, extra bite under the bark. Now the pork rub. Paprika, sugar, cover every face. Edges too. Do not be shy. The meat rests. Salt pulls water to the surface. That sweat is the enemy of bark. Hopper still full from the last cook. Indirect heat, 110 Celsius. Light the smoke tube. Apple pellets. Extra smoke on a tight terrace grill. Before the grate, pat the belly dry. Every wet spot. Bark needs a dry face. I post this balcony method every week. Exact Celsius. Subscribe if you cook small and still want bark. Probe in the thickest part. Target 95 Celsius. On the grate, indirect, lid down. Smoked pork belly starts now. Flip the slab, even smoke, no dead side on a balcony grill. Color is building. Do not rush the wrap. Bark first, always. Internal 65 to 70. Bark is set, color is locked, foil time. My balcony, my regal. We do not wrap the whole slab. Cut into cubes. This is where burnt ends start. Fat seams up when you can. Two spoons of honey, sweet glue for the glaze and the foil. 2 spoons of lard, strutto. Fat carries smoke and heat. Then a heavy dose of Nduja, American Fire Anima Italiana. Toss until every cube is coated. Red fat, sweet heat, no dry corners. Probe back in, tight foil, seal the juices, do not vent it. Grill up to 150 Celsius. The cubes finish in their own fat. Target is 95 inside. Heat is 150 outside. Wait for the slide. Target hit, probe test. It must slide with no fight. Open the foil. Uneven glaze. That is a hand toss, not a factory tray. This one slides. Pull it. Bowl for Aperitivo. All the pan juices. Do not waste that fat. Balsamic glaze on top, sweet, sharp, hot. Soft cubes, Agropiccante. One bite pulls the next. Comment, more Nduja or more honey. Next Wednesday, another balcony cook. Simply spaziale.